Many people around the world depend on fish or products made from fish for their food and economic livelihood. The beauty of many fish species is highlighted in fish stores, aquariums, and in home collections. Fishes, however, have a darker, more terrifying aspect. A selected few of these may attack human beings, while others might deliver a dose of poison when handled carelessly or not properly prepared for consumption. In today's video, we're going to look at 10 of the world's most dangerous fish. Before we get right into it, we're going to have a speed test where you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as fast as you can. Let's see how this goes. At number 10, we start with the pufferfish. It is also called the swellfish. They are noted for their ability when disturbed to inflate themselves so greatly with air and water that they become globular in form. Puffers are found in warm temperate regions around the world. They have tough, usually pricky skins and fused teeth that form beak-like structure with a split in the center of each jaw. They are highly toxic. They have a highly toxic substance called tetrodotoxin, which can cause death. Puffers are sometimes used as food in Japan. However, they must be carefully cleaned and prepared by a specially trained chef. You don't just cook it the way you cook the normal fish that you're used to. Look at how inflated they look. You might end up thinking that it's a balloon. I'm tempted to think if you try to pickle it, it might end up bursting, but anyway, who knows? Maybe we should give it a try, should we? At number 9, we will look at the red lionfish. They are noted for their venomous fin spines, which are capable of producing painful, though rarely fatal, puncture wounds. The fish have enlarged pectoral fins and elongated dorsal fin spines, and each species have a particular pattern of bold, zebra-like stripes. When disturbed, the fish spread and display their fins, and if further pressed, it will present an attack with the dorsal spines. Talk of animals that are dangerously beautiful. Take a look at this. See how beautiful they are. What do you think? At number 8, we're going to look at the Candiru. The Candiru is a scaleless parasitic catfish. It is translucent and eel-like, and it grows to a length of about 2.5 centimeters. That is an inch. The Candiru feeds on blood and is commonly found in the gill cavities of other fishes. Imagine having fish inside another fish. Okay, that's tricky. It sometimes also attacks humans and has been known to enter the urethras of bathers and swimming animals. Once in the passage, it erects the short spines on its gill covers and may thereby cause inflammation and hemorrhage and even death to the victim. Imagine being killed by such a tiny animal. How do you explain that? At number 7, we will look at the great white shark. This is one of the most powerful and potentially dangerous predatory sharks in the world. In the areas where they are most common, white sharks are responsible for numerous unprovoked and sometimes fatal accidents on swimmers, divers, and even small boats. A white shark tends to inflict a single bite on its human victim and then retreat. In many instances, however, the shark rarely returns for a second bite. If the victim suffers from moderate bite, he or she may have time to seek safety. In situations where a large bite occurs, however, serious tissue and organ damage may result in death of the victim. At number 6, we're going to look at Moray Eel. They live in shallow water among reefs and rocks. They differ from other eels in having small rounded gill openings and in general lack of pectoral fins. Their skin is thick, smooth, and scaleless, while the mouth is wide and the jaws are sharp teeth, which enable them to seize and hold their prey but also inflict serious wounds on their enemies, including humans. They are fast to attack humans only when disturbed. Moray eels are usually vividly marked or colored. Morays are eaten in some areas of the world, but their flesh is sometimes toxic and can cause illness or death. At number 5, we look at the tigerfish. In African freshwaters, tigerfish are admired. They are marked depending on the species, with one or several dark, lengthwise stripes, and are swift, salmon-shaped carnivore-like teeth that protrude when the mouth is closed. It has sharp spines on its gill covers, which can wound a careless handler. Look at the shape of their teeth. At number 4, we're going to look at the piranha. Most species of the piranha never grow larger than 60 centimeters long. Colors vary from silvery with orange undersides to almost completely black. These common fishes have deep bodies, saw-edged bellies, and large, generally blunt heads with strong jaws bearing sharp triangular teeth that meet in a scissor-like bite. Generally, a group of red-bellied piranha spreads out to look for prey. When located, the attacking scout signals the others. Everyone in the group rushes in to take a bite, then swims away to make way for the others. Most species of piranha, however, never kill large animals. Although piranha are attracted to the smell of blood, most species scavenge more than they kill. At number 3, we're going to look at the stonefish. They are venomous marine fish found in the shallow waters of the tropical Indo-Pacific. They are sluggish bottom-dwelling fish that live among rocks and in the mud. Big-set fish with large heads and mouths, small eyes and bumpy skins, covered with wart-like lumps and sometimes fleshy flaps. They rest on the bottom and moving, blending almost exactly with their surroundings in form and color. They are difficult to see, and when stepped on, they inject quantities of venom through their dorsal fin spines. Wounds produced by these fish are intensely painful and sometimes fatal. What will be your reaction if you came across this? Imagine minding your own business and boom, you step on this. At number 2, we will look at the Atlantic manta. Manta rays have fleshly and large pectoral fins that look like wings. Take a look at them. This is how they look. Extensions of those fins end up looking like a devil's horn. They project as the cephalic fins from the front of the head. Manta rays have short whip-like tails, provided in some species, with one or more stinging spines. Manta rays related to sharks and skates are found in warm waters along continents and islands. They swim near the surface, propelling themselves by flapping their pectoral fins. At number 1, we're going to look at the electric eel. The electric eel is an elongated South American fish that produces a powerful electric shock to stun its prey. It is long, cylindrical, scaleless, brown. They have 3 pairs of the abdominal organs that produce electricity. These organs give it the ability to generate 2 types of electric organ discharge. When the eel finds its prey, the brain sends a signal through the nervous system to the electrolytes, which in turn generates an electric current in a manner which is similar to a battery. Electric eel are also capable of controlling their prey's nervous system with their electrical abilities. By controlling their victim's nervous system and muscles via electric pulses, they can keep their prey from escaping or force it to move so that they can locate its position. That is all for today, guys. Those are the top 10 of the world's most dangerous fish. Tell me in the comment section which one you found amusing. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Bye bye for now.